Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Catzilla token. Now the Catzilla token is live for pre-sale on their webpage, Catzilla.meme. This is a brand new meme coin having an ICO, an initial coin offering on their own webpage. Right now they are in stage 4. There is a lot of stages though, so you got a lot of time to go check this out. 14 stages for this pre-sale here. So we're going to go over the information on the Catzilla meme token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their webpage, I'm going to put their Twitter up right here at Catzilla token, so you guys can easily find this project. Their webpage is catzilla.meme. That's where you could buy the pre-sale. They have 2 different telegrams, a chat one at Catzilla Group and a news channel, announcement channel at Catzilla meme. And so basically, if you wanted to get this token here, we'll just start off with that. You just go to their webpage, catzilla.meme. Right at the top of the page, it says stage 4 out of 14 of the pre-sale. You can connect your wallet, so you can use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet. You'd fund your wallet with ETH. You could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. You'd get your wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. So once you've funded your wallet with ETH, you just put connect wallet on the webpage catzilla.meme, punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Catzilla tokens you get for that amount. And then when the pre-sale is over, you claim your tokens, and that's generally how these ICOs work. So what is the project all about? Well, it says, welcome to the chaotic world of Catzilla, the meme token set to smash through the meme coin space like a giant cat through a skyscraper. Inspired by the legendary cat memes in Japanese culture, Catzilla is a giant orange mutant cat with Godzilla-like spikes on its back, rampaging through cities, fighting off helicopters, tanks, and colossal robots in epic battles. But Catzilla isn't just about destruction. It's an ecosystem designed to captivate degens, animal lovers, and anyone who loves fun-filled, action-packed worlds like the potential to earn while playing. Now, with the potential to earn while playing, our mission is simple. Create a meme token powered gaming platform that captures the wild, absurd spirit of meme culture while combining it with the vibrant aesthetics of Japanese anime and kaiju. We want to build a community of crypto enthusiasts, meme addicts, and anime fans united in the pursuit of both chaos and financial freedom. In the world of Catzilla, you aren't just a spectator, you are the chaos. It's good times. So the story of Catzilla, it's pretty long. We will not go over that, but if you want to check out the whole story of Catzilla, talking about helicopters and Doge bots, and the big epic battles, you can find that on their document section. You can go right to docs.catzilla.meme, but we're not going to go over that. Now, there is a referral program for this pre-sale. There's multi-level USDT referral program. So you can get involved with that if you like. They tell you how to do that step by step on the webpage as well. There's also Meow Points. Make pre-sale purchases and collect Meow Points, and it tells you what percentage of Meow Points you can get for what amount you spend on the pre-sale. It says get ready for an upcoming airdrop. Collect Meow Points to maximize your share in future airdrop distribution. Unleash your inner Catzilla and gather as many points as you can. For each referral, you will earn 20% of the Meow points from tokens purchased by referrals. And they give examples of how that works on their page. And then we get to the token. So they have the contract address on their document section. Now, this token is on the Solana blockchain, it says. So you can find the token on SolScan. Total supply, 10 billion tokens. This token's utility is for governance, so voting on proposals, deciding which direction you think the project should go. Incentives and staking. They have the project's addresses section on here, and then they have an audit section. Unfortunately, I thought there was an audit because it said audits. I just clicked on it, and it says audits coming soon, and that's unfortunate. So maybe they'll get one soon, but for now, it's very hard to tell you or not if I think this token may or may not be a scam because there's not even an audit that I could check, which is, not good. So just be aware of that. And, take everything with a grain of salt. Make sure you thoroughly do your own research on this project, especially any project that does not even have an audit or a KYC or anything. So just be aware that this token may have all the risks involved. Now, token distribution, 57% of the tokens go to presale, 15% goes to airdrop and rewards, 12% staking, 8% marketing, 6.5% liquidity, 1.5% team. Now, there is a team section. It says, we are a group of degens, crypto enthusiasts, anime fanatics, experienced in blockchain, game development, and meme culture. We live for anime battles, giant robots, and chaotic cities, and we're bringing what we love into the crypto world. Now we have the roadmap. Phase 1 is going to be platform launch, community building, pre-sale and initial marketing campaign, community incentives program, and then the audit for Catzilla token. Phase 2, staking. Marketing liftoff, referral programs, Catzilla Tap V1 Telegram app. Phase 3, perfection claim, open DEX and central exchange launch, Catzilla Tap V2, PvP and clans and tournaments. Phase 4 is going to be Catzilla merchandise launch, exclusive partnerships, meme influencers, NFT drops. And then we got Catzilla Tap V3 and contests and competitions. If you do get stuck on how to buy, there is a how to buy section in the documents. It'll tell you step by step how to do it from a mobile or a desktop. They have frequently asked questions. All the official links are on there. Check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.